If you're working in a large or mid-sized team and have code from multiple teams or owners in a single GitHub repository, here is how you can ensure the appropriate owner is requested for review on a pull request, and that pull request only gets merged with their approval. GitHub allows us to create a file named CODEOWNERS in our repository. This file specifies who owns which part of the repository. For example, if the repository contains code from both the backend team and the frontend team, we can use these two lines to ensure that the respective team is requested for review on a pull request containing changes to the code they own. Additionally, with branch protection settings, we can ensure their approval is required to merge the pull request. On GitHub, you can see who owns a file by hovering over the lock icon on the file. Here are some rules for creating and writing the CODEOWNERS file. The file must be placed in either the root of the repository or inside the .github directory or inside the docs directory. The file size should be less than 3 MB. There can be multiple rules in a single file, and the last matching rule takes precedence. Each rule consists of a file pattern followed by the CODEOWNERS. You can use GitHub usernames, qualified team names, or email addresses to define CODEOWNERS. People or team you choose as CODEOWNERS must have write access to the repository. File patterns use most of the rules from a .gitignore file. This was all you needed to know about the CODEOWNERS file. Follow for more such content.